So when the Europeans arrived in Africa, they built over 60 forts and castles. And out of the 60 forts and castles they built in Africa, Ghana alone had about 40 of them, which constitute about 80% of the various slave forts and castles that was built in Africa. One would ask why. This was all because of the abundance of gold in Ghana. That is why they built majority of their structures in here. Out of the 40 forts and castles they built in Ghana, we have only 3 to be castles, and the rest were all forts. The first ever European structure on our land today was built 12 kilometers west from this point. That is what we call the Elmina Castle or the St. George's Castle. It was built by the Portuguese in the year 1482, and that one is about 544 years old. So it happens to be one of the oldest, biggest European structure in sub-Saharan Africa. Second one was built in Accra, known as Christiansborg Odiosu Castle. It was built by the Danish or the Danes in the year 1661, and that one is also about 364 years old. And this is the last and the smallest, the Cape Coast slave dungeons.